How to fix Xbox Live sign-in error 0x87DD000F. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Checking server status. Sometimes, the issue is not with your Xbox or your network but with the Xbox Live servers themselves. If they are down or undergoing maintenance, you may encounter sign-in errors. Fix 2. Fully restarting your console. A complete shutdown and restart of your console can often fix minor glitches or bugs that are causing the 0x87DD000F error. This refreshes your system, clears temporary data, and can help in establishing a fresh connection with Xbox Live servers. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Checking your network connection. Network connectivity is crucial for accessing Xbox Live services. A slow or unstable network might cause issues while signing into Xbox Live.